Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.
In this lesson, we'll examine what happens when a taxpayer chooses to abandon personal use property. Abandonment of property occurs when an individual voluntarily and permanently gives up possession and use of a property with the intention of ending ownership. The types of tax consequences likely to follow abandonment will be dependent on the type of debt, recourse or non-recourse, that the taxpayer has. If an individual abandons property securing recourse debt, he or she does not have a gain or loss until the foreclosure is completed. Let's look at an example. Let's say Lucy purchased a home for $250,000. She borrowed the entire purchase price and was personally liable for the debt. Then Lucy lost her job and was unable to continue making her mortgage payments. Because her mortgage loan balance was $235,000 and the fair market value of the home was only $180,000, Lucy decided to abandon her home. Lucy's adjusted basis in this case would be $250,000 and the amount realized would be $235,000. Therefore, Lucy would have a loss of $15,000 after the foreclosure was complete.
Like what you see? Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.